guys, what's up? ¿Cómo están? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my nails at home at an affordable price. I have been using this nail kit, which is by Makar, which has 500 nails for about probably a year, I want to say. So I grab all the nails, I measure them, and then I just label them for each finger, which makes it so easier for you. Here's how my nails look, which are really brittle, tiny, sensitive, and awkward shape. So girl, I gotta have my nails on. I use my glue from Kiss, which it works amazing, you guys, and it lasts for about 3 weeks. A little wood stick, nail filer, and nail clippers. I use 2 gel polishes. The first one that I use is Shall We Dance, which is a color, and then I top it off with their top coat. I have been loving and using the Makar LED light. It works really good. This is not sponsored or anything, girls, and I'll just link you down below because it's super affordable also. Just wanted to show you guys a close-up of what I want to see in other videos. So this is how the nails look, which are clear, and they have a little number on the tip of it. I try to take my time. I apply glue to my nails. Sometimes I do to both, which is my nail and the fake nail, and just pressing gently so all the bubbles can come out and everything can stay nice and put. I'm gonna do this throughout all my nails so you guys can see, and I try to push my cuticle back as I am applying my nails so it can look more realistic and like if I got them done at the nail salon. So just do that little tip. Here's how they look. They're really long and they're coffin shaped. Does also anyone always get this dry spot in their thumb? I always get that, and I put moisturizer and everything. So now I'm just going to cut the nails, and I'm cutting them like a little bit close down to the number, and then I'm gonna file them into more of a coffin shape because when you cut them you have to file them down. So shaping them, this takes forever, so I will suggest to get a drill. That's what I need to get, a little drill. So if you guys have any suggestions of a good drill, please let me know in the comments down below. So now time to apply gel. I am obsessed with this gel polish by Sally Hansen, which is in Shall We Dance. It's a really nude pink color, really natural. And I also have my alcohol bottle ready because we are going to need it after painting our nails. I prefer gel polish because girl, I don't have patience and I suck at doing polish. I feel like I hit my hands everywhere. Also right here, when you're doing your gel polish, make sure you don't hit your hands because you'll leave marks. So just be careful with it. After you're done polishing them, put them right into the little oven, which is your LED light. So I end up doing 2 coats of the Shall We Dance gel color, and then I put them back again in the LED lamp. And then I'm going to be applying the top gel, which is the last step. It is a 3-step method, but I didn't use the number 1 because I feel like since I have fake nails, I wouldn't need it, which that's the base coat. So I just skipped it and then went ahead with the 3-step. Then I cure my nails, and make sure after you cure them to spray alcohol at the last step. Spray alcohol. If not, they're going to be sticky, girl. You're gonna be wondering like, what the heck? So make sure you spray alcohol and wipe them out. So there you guys have it, how I do my nails at home at an affordable price. They were pretty long to me, so I cut them, made them shorter, and in the next video you guys will see is how I have them now, which I love them. I feel like I can do more stuff with them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me your comments down below what other videos you guys want to watch. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.